and goonism is a matter that is worrying us as security people, not just here in Kisii, in other parts of the country as well. And we are convinced beyond doubt that unless we nip this problem in the bud, we nip this problem now, unless we destroy the infrastructure of violence that is developing, which is politically instigated, these criminals will organize themselves and mutate into other crimes, and it will be very difficult to enforce the law and maintain law and order in our country going forward. So we are not doing this just in Kisii, across the country. And therefore, I want to call upon all leaders to obey the law and also to respect one another, transact their activities peacefully. They can disagree on ideas and policies, but nobody has a right to use violence to force his views on any other person. Also, as you're aware, we have a national program to enforce the law on the fight against illicit killer brews, as well as narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. We have reviewed the progress that has been made by the teams here. Some progress has been made, but we believe there is a lot more that we can do to make sure that we eradicate this problem permanently this time round, because in the past, whenever we've tried to do this, we've done it for a few months and then we go back to factory settings. This time round, we've decided to sustain this war on a permanent basis, the way we have sustained the war on other serious national security threats. What these poisonous drinks, unhealthy drinks, drugs, and substances are doing is that they are destroying the best of our population. They are making our young people unproductive socially and economically. They are making crime levels even go high. And I want to here confirm that actually since we began the crackdown nationally on 7th of March, there has been a sharp decline on reported crime statistics across the country, meaning there is a link between the drug problem, the illicit alcohol problem, and crime levels. So we want to secure our country, but we also want our people to engage in productive activities. When they wake up, not to go and look for a poison to kill themselves, not to go and look for drugs, but when they wake up, let them go and struggle to feed their families, let them find something to do, and I'm sure we cannot use the excuse of joblessness to approve the kind of conduct that we are seeing, especially in urban centers, but also in rural areas alike. So we made good progress here in Kisii. I think about 95 suspects have been arrested and arraigned in court. We have also been able to seize poisonous drinks. We've also been able to destroy a number of illegal breweries. We've closed down a number without licenses, and also we have also closed down a number of premises that were selling alcoholic drinks with licenses, but operating within the prohibited proximity to learning institutions and other guidelines under national law. So that campaign is going on, and we've discussed how to upscale that war in the coming weeks. We'll be coming to check on it again in a very short period of time.